Stop your kids from hitting, biting, pushing, and shoving. Sometimes, some children become aggressive in an unknown reason. They hit, bite, push, and shove, which leads to hurting other people. You don't want your child to keep up this behavior, so knowing how to stop it today should be a good help. Stop children aggression. Parenting is never easy and parents are all humans. Each time your child expresses himself in a rebellious way, you are feeling much stress. Talking about this matter should be a great help for parents facing openly insolent children or when coping with aggressive kids. This is not an easy thing to deal with, and it is simply easier said than done in several cases. However, the little methods disclosed in this chapter should help you stay calm and cool whenever your child pushes those alert button. These methods are as follows. Count to 10. This might sound funny, yet it really works wonders. Allow your child to see this as you do it. As you do the counting, take deep, slow breaths. In addition, image yourself as calm, while going through the scenario with good results. Show some authority. Determine that nobody has the true authority over you except when you allow them. Furthermore, it is your choice to get upset or angry. Keep yourself reminded that if you give away more power, your insolent child will have less power to take from you. There is nobody else, but you will hold the key to your individual actions. Always monitor your progress. Create a list of the incidents wherein you have been successful when coping with aggressive behavior of children. And then, if you seem to falter, just keep yourself reminded of the good times when you've prevailed in and get the best of the situation. Tell yourself that it won't last long. Always remind yourself that it won't last more than a couple of moments. Think that it will simply pass and that nothing would last forever. And, your child will eventually grow up, whether defiant or aggressive, more likely quicker than you actually like them to. Feel good for being responsible. Keep yourself reminded of how good it feels to take responsibility for your emotional reactions. Give yourself some time for positive thoughts and feelings. Always take things positively. Consider the idea that someone else always takes it more difficult than you and that your experience can't be compared to what somebody else may have. Remember that a greater trial, the more fulfilling and greater the triumph would feel. Make use of it as your motivation until you get there, and eventually, you will. Don't respond to aggression with aggression. Keep in mind that responding to aggressive behavior with another aggressive behavior is never a good idea. This will just validate and enforce the behavior of the child. Your child desperately wants to become just like you, and he or she would imitate any attitude you show. Become an example. If you want to teach your child with good behaviors, you will need to practice the things you preach so as to guide his misbehavior effectively in the correct direction. Always teach and show your capability to manage your emotions. Keep in mind that the spotlight strikes on you. Hence, each time you feel enticed to curse or yell, stop and then reconsider that line of thinking. Teach your child the alternatives. Show and teach your child some alternative techniques to manage his emotions. Provide approaches that are more constructive and more positive. Let him learn the ways to direct his emotions with creative expression. Encourage him to inform you whenever he feels upset or angry when possible. Recognize their efforts consistently. Providing kids some reason to like changing is normally as simple as sharing affirmative recognition. No matter what, always remember that every child demands attention. Bad attention is quite better than totally no attention. Always provide your support and apply positive encouragement with your efforts whenever possible. All those methods mixed with positive encouragement should aid you in shaping an aggressive child into the more controlled and developed person. These tips mentioned above are only a few of the many ways that you can use to stay with composure when coping with aggressive kids. You have all the capability to stay calm when coping with aggressive kids, and what it only takes is to know the best ways to respond in advance. When it comes to parenting, you will certainly appreciate the outcome of using the most applicable information available for dealing with misbehaving children. It doesn't need to be very hard, as all you really require is some fresh perspectives.